Dion.
Oh, he was.
I was thinking of doing that. I was thinking at the end of doing that.
You should have.
Yeah.
You would have taken the victory.
Would I have?
No
I think
way.
so. If you did that.
No, there was no carbonated energy to that.
I think it's safe to say that we have all failed.
I reckon I was pretty good.
Oh, Josh, I think if you go back and listen, you're not.
Yeah, you'll be embarrassed.
So no one won.
No one
No
won.
one won.
We got to give it to someone.
All right, we all agree that Christian was the best this time
that
round.
means you have to give it to me, doesn't it?
Oh, no.
Hang on. Can I give it one more go?
Speed round.
So Josh,
We're done.